now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate tango choreography with teaching count. And quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's see the same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with 4-step into corner. We continue with closed promenade. Then we dance back Corte, which we follow with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. Then basic reverse turn in syncopated timing. And now Contra check, which we finish in promenade position, and from here promenade link to promenade position. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So man is facing diagonally to wall. We take close hold and we start with 4-step. We move diagonally into corner. Then closed promenade, we move down, line of dance. Now back Corte. We start down line of dance and then diagonally to center. Again down line of dance. We move with follow reverse and slip pivot. In same direction we continue basic reverse turn. Now Contra check, we move diagonally to wall and return to promenade position and move diagonally to wall with promenade link. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.